Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off Instagram active status. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. So also there, as you can see, I have logged in my Instagram account. So once you are there, just you have to tap on your profile, and once it is done, and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right, and from here just scroll down and you will find the option of status or active status. If you can't find it in here, you can just search it on the top by tapping the search bar. Just search for activity status or show activity status. So in here, as you can see, I have already turned off my Instagram active status. It says that allow accounts you follow or anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other persons or other accounts. So as you can see, I have already turned it off. So you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.